Hello class, today we will be discussing privacy and security. Before we begin, I would like you to brainstorm this question. How can a strong password protect your privacy? Take a moment and think. The term privacy is the state of being free from public attention. The term security is the measures taken to be safe and protected. For today's learning outcomes, they are understanding why a strong password is important and which information should be shared online and which should not. For privacy and security, I have created two lists, do's and don'ts. For do's, you should make a strong password, which does not include any part of your username, and uses special characters. You should make your account private, and you should report accounts that you do not know. For don'ts, you should not use your home address. You should not put your age. You should not put your phone number. You should not put your full name, and you should not put the location of your school. Here are some worksheets that we will be working on. The first one is if-then scenarios that you will be working on in a group and responding to as a team. The next one is power up your password. You will be creating your own strong password following those steps, and it also gives you password tips to remember. From the if-then scenarios, here is a think about it. Ashley was in the library, but when she left, she forgot her iPad. If someone was to find out her password, what could they do with all her information? Think about what apps would be on her iPad, like her email, her bank account, and her social media. What could someone do with all of that information? Take a moment. The next think about it goes off of the power up your password worksheet. For example, it says, if a student had a username that involved their first and last name, for example, Jane_Doe, and their password is the same as their username, is that a strong password? What could make the password stronger? Discuss this among your group, and then get started on those worksheets. Best of luck to you today, class.